Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's video. Today we will continue our previous video, definition of chemistry and its branches. In the previous video, we have discussed the main key terms that make the definition of chemistry. In this video, we will discuss branches of chemistry. Now the question arises, why chemistry is divided into different branches? To understand the widely spread complex subject of chemistry and to concentrate on its specific aspects, chemistry is divided into many branches. These branches have distinct area of study for the scientist to focus and to achieve achievements. So, chemistry is divided into different branches. Here are the main branches of chemistry that we will discuss one by one. Number 1, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry, environmental chemistry, biochemistry, nuclear chemistry, polymer chemistry, geochemistry, medicinal chemistry, astrochemistry. We will discuss them one by one, but in this video, we will discuss only first 4 branches. Let's start with physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is the branch that investigates how substances behave at atomic level and molecular level. It provides clear explanation as how fundamental physical laws governing our world cause atoms and molecules to show specific characteristics and in turn react to give huge structure related to life. If we talk about the definition of physical chemistry is the branch of chemistry that applies the principles of physics to study behavior of matter, focusing on energy changes, reaction rates, chemical equilibrium, and physical properties of substance. All these things of matter are discussed in physical chemistry. And if we talk about the scope of physical chemistry is used to predict the change of rate of reaction and thus optimize the conditions to carry out the reaction on industrial scale. In simple wording, it deals with study of energy changes in matter, kinetics and reaction rates, and behavior of solid, liquid and gas at molecular level. Next, we will discuss organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is also called chemistry of life because in this branch we study the carbon containing compounds, and carbon is essential elements in living things, animals, plants and human beings. All living things have carbon as their essential elements. So in this branch we study the compounds of carbon and their derivatives. If we talk about definition, organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with study of carbon containing compounds. In this branch we study the compounds of carbon, and carbon is always attached with hydrogen. These compounds are called hydrocarbons. So in this branch we study carbon containing compounds, especially hydrocarbons, and their derivatives. Derivatives mean if we remove one or more elements from the original compound, especially if we remove hydrogen and replace it with any other new element, we get a new compound, and that compound is called derivative of hydrocarbons. So in this branch we study carbon containing compounds and hydrocarbons and their derivatives, and also we study the structure, properties, reactions and preparation of carbon containing compounds. So we can say that organic chemistry is the study of carbon. Next is scope of organic chemistry. In organic chemistry we study compounds of carbon, medicines, drugs, their formation, their role, and fuels as coal, petrol, gas and plastic. All things are studied in organic chemistry. Next branch that we will discuss is inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is study of non-living matter including metals, minerals and salts. Their properties, their reactions, their composition, their structure are studied in inorganic chemistry. If we talk about definition, inorganic chemistry is branch of chemistry that deals with study of all the elements of periodic table and their compounds except those of carbon or hydrocarbon compounds. So in this branch we study all the elements except carbon containing compounds. In this branch, we also study metals, minerals, salts, acid and base, and all the compounds and their properties, structure, methods, their preparation, their reactions, and application are studied in inorganic chemistry. The scope of inorganic chemistry is study of metals and minerals, salts and acids, study of industrial chemicals. All the chemicals that are produced in industries are also studied in inorganic chemistry. So, in this branch, we study all the elements and their compounds except that of carbon and hydrocarbons. The branch that we will discuss is analytical chemistry. Analytical word is derived from analysis. Analysis means to test something to find out its composition, its properties. So, it is the science of measurements. And here we do the analysis with the help of lab testing or microscope or other sensors. And if we talk about definition, analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with identification of substance, determination of their composition, structure, and we check the quantity and quality of substance. So, in this branch, we discuss or determine the quality and quantity of something of compound to determine its composition and structure. And the method that we used are qualitative method and quantitative method. So we find the quality and quantity of a substance. If we talk about its scope, it deals with chemical testing, quality control, and laboratory analysis of something. So in this video, we have discussed 4 branches. Next 4 branches we will discuss in our next video. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.